Hello lovely students, welcome back to the channel. Today's lesson we are going to learn to spell some Fante vocabularies. Yes, all these vocabularies begin with the Fante alphabet or. Yes, or. Before we spell each word or vocabulary, I'll first give you the meaning of the word and then we spell. First, I'll give you the meaning in English and then the spelling follows. The first vocabulary here is odzebonyenyi, and this is a sinner. Now the spelling. Odzebonyenyi, o-d-z-e, b-o-n, ye-e, ye-e, odzebonyenyi, odomankuma. This word is nature in English. Now the spelling. Odomankuma. O-d-o. M-a-n. K-o-m-a. Odomankuma. The next vocabulary is odadafu. This vocabulary means a deceiver. Now the spelling. Odadafu. O-d-a-a. D-a-a-f-u. Odadafu. Now to our last vocabulary for today. We have obanyansafo. And this is a wise person. Literally, it means a wise child. Now the spelling. O-b-a. N-ye-a-n. S-a-f-u. Obanyansafo. You see, the spelling is actually not difficult, right? Now you know the meaning of these words. You know how to spell them. I would love that you play the video once again as you concentrate on the spelling of these vocabulary. This lesson comes your way many other times here on the channel. The name is Mr. Pierre. Let's meet once again, but please remember to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Until we meet again, see you on another interesting episode of Fante Learning here on Apodels Multimedia. See you again. Bye-bye.